called Go Fish. In this game, I actually have fish, things from the sea, like dolphins, seahorses, but it can be done with any kind of vocab. You just need pairs. So here, for example, I have 2 dolphins, number 18. I'm going to hand out the cards. You can play in teams if you have a big group. If not, hand out for each kid. So, shuffle first. The kids have to find pairs. Each time they have a pair, they set them down, and the winner is the one with the most pairs. You go 4, 5, 7 cards, and then group. Okay. So, you can only ask for a card that you already have. Okay? If you already have pairs, put them out and put them down. No pairs? No pairs? No pairs?
What are pairs with a different number?
That's not a pair.
That's not a pair.
It has to be the same, exact same card. Okay? Okay, Ben, you start. Who are you going to ask to?
Lucy.
Yeah.
Fish 2.
So, do you have,
Do you have...
and you could describe, blue fish with yellow stripes.
Okay. The blue fish with yellow stripe number 2.
No, I don't have that card.
Go fish.
Go fish.
Is that the right card?
Nope.
No. Lucy, it's your turn.
Okay.
Who are you asking to?
Maya,
Yes.
do you have 8 purple octopus?
No, I do not have that card.
Okay.
Go fish.
Okay.
Maya, your turn.
Ben,
Mm-hmm.
do you have a blue and yellow striped fish, number 2?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thank you.
Maya just made a pair.
Yes.
She's going to put it down and she can play again.
Ooh, fancy.
Lucy, do you have a turtle, number 15?
Yes, I do.
Oh, thank you.
Eltwish.
No, she's not. Okay, Maya, it's your turn.
Ben, do you have a yellow starfish, number 4?
No, I don't. Go fish. Maya, do you have a dolphin number 9?
I do not. Go fish.
Okay.
Lucy.
Maya, do you have a yellow starfish number 4?
Oh.
Oh, I do. Thank you.
Okay, so you play like this until all the cards are gone. The team that has, or the person that has the most pairs, win.